Hey guys, I'm Grant,
And I'm Bianca.
and this is the house that we will be renovating over the next couple of weeks. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, and now let's take you on a tour of what it looks like before we get started. Let's go. All right, let's go inside. All right, so this is the entryway foyer area. We've got a tile floor that we'll be leaving, but then the light fixture up above, we will be replacing that. And then we have a coat closet here. Not much to see, but we'll be replacing the shelf up there and putting some shoe storage down beneath. Then moving along, here is the kind of living room. It has some previous vinyl plank on the floor, but it's seen its best days, so we're going to be replacing this whole section with new luxury vinyl plank. And the colors in here are a bit odd, so we're going to be kind of painting all of this uniform color called Repose Gray by Sherwin-Williams. It's an off-white grayish looking color, so that'll look really good. Moving on, this is the family room, and it already has carpet. We're going to be taking this out and continuing the floor from the living room with the vinyl plank. We're going to be putting a built-in cabinets on either side with some shelving, and then a kind of faux fireplace with an electric heated fireplace flush mounted in with a TV as well. And over here we have the eat-in kitchen. They already did some tile work in here, the previous owner, so this already looks pretty nice, so we're going to leave it, not tear it out. But again, painting all of this the uniform Repose Gray color. And the kitchen also already looks pretty updated. They refinished the cabinets in white, so those look good. We're going to be leaving those. Nice countertops, new appliances. But again, we're going to be painting all of this as well as replacing the fan with just a light fixture. Then moving on, this is the dining room. Again, this will all be new luxury vinyl plank on the floor, new paint on the walls, and then we'll also be replacing this light fixture. And all the light fixtures we're going to try and keep different but uniform throughout so they look cohesive. And then back to where we started, we have the utility room and laundry room over here. And so as you can see, it's a stacked washer dryer. We're going to be taking out this hot water heater here and replacing it with a tankless hot water heater, so it'll be wall mounted, giving us some floor space. And then that way we can put the side-by-side washer and dryer instead of stacked, put a nice counter on top and some shelving. And so that covers like the main living space area. So now we're going to transition over to Bianca, who's going to talk about the bedrooms. Bianca?
Thanks, Grant. Heading over to this side of the house, we've got the 3 bedrooms we were talking about earlier. The first one we have is what we like to call the star bedroom. So if you follow me. Again, you can see we continue the theme of bright colors. We're actually going to be pulling in that Repose Gray used throughout the house and putting that on 3 of the walls. And we'll be doing an accent wall on the star wall and using a color similar to what you can see on the screen. Next, we have the closet. We've got some nice built-ins on this closet, some shelving, and then an area where you can obviously hang up your clothes. Right here, this pipe hangout is a radon reduction system. Going back into the hallway, you can see we have a dated ceiling light. We'll be updating that similar to the rest of the lights of the house. On my left here is the 2nd bedroom. Over here, the accent wall will be hanging out. You can see the closet is located on the other side for this room, and then we've got a nice corner window as well. Over here, we've got a small linen closet for towels and whatnot. For the bathroom, which is right over here. The bathroom, we won't be updating too much. We like the flooring they put down as well as this nice vanity, but we will be updating the light fixture as well as the mirror. And then here we have one of the favorite parts of the house is this giant jacuzzi tub. So you get to utilize the jets and the jacuzzi features as well as having the space of a walk-in shower. Finally, we have bedroom 3 of 3, which is the master bedroom. Over here, we'll have the accent wall with another muted color. And then we have mirror doors over here, which we'll be keeping, and then some basic wire shelving. And then over here, this door actually leads to the bathroom that we just went to, making this an ensuite, which is why we consider this the master bedroom. And that's a wrap of the house.
Thanks, Bianca. Thanks guys for watching the... Thanks guys for watching the tour. Make sure to smash that like button.
And don't forget to subscribe so you can follow us on our journey updating this house.
We're going to be documenting everything, and the next couple of videos we're going to be focusing on getting rid of all these primary colors. So yeah, this McDonald's theme behind us. Thank you.
Chip has nothing on you.
I'm Chip, and this is Joanna. All right, I say I'm Chop, and this is Joanna. Chop.